There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Hey, Allie and CoCo Science Show. I'm about to cook up some lunch, but I thought I'd share what I've got because I'm very excited about it, and it's a plant, and I like to learn about plants and food that we eat. So, you guys know I like to be waste-free as much as possible. Well, I love Brussels sprouts, and when you buy Brussels sprouts, they're either in a netted bag or in a plastic bag, and I have no outlet where I am on buying these Brussels sprouts without those. However, I went to Trader Joe's this week, and I got, ready? Oh my gosh, it's a Brussels sprout out stem. Colette, can you believe this? What is this? It's a Brussels, this is the stock Brussels sprouts grow on. And the cool thing about Brussels sprouts is they are the same exact species as a lot of other leafy greens we eat. Do you guys eat kale? Do you eat cabbage? Broccoli? Cauliflower? Cauliflower pizza crust? All of those are the same exact species. They're all Brassica oleracea. Oleracea. I think that's pronounced right. So all of them have been slowly but surely over time and different styles of cultivation have created such a wide variety of the same species. Anyway, I love Brussels sprouts, and the reason I love these, first of all, it's not in a plastic bag, but also because it's on the stem, it's still getting some nutrients, still getting some water in there. When you get Brussels sprouts in a bag, it may last a few days and you got to start cutting them up, and then, you know, you get those stinky toots. But if you grow them on a stem, you've got some more time. This might last me like a week. So I'm very excited. I'm gonna cook them up right now and eat them. Anyway, Brassica oleracea, like your cabbage and your cauliflower, same guy, different look, same dude. If you want to know what Colette was crying about, her ball is under the couch, so I need to get that. But I'm gonna put a picture of what this wild cabbage looks like. You guys need to, we all need to find out more about what we're eating, what we're putting in our bodies. Even if it's natural, we should just know where it comes from. Just cure our plant blindness. And for the question of the week, I want to know, what's your favorite leafy green? Mine happens to be, I love kale. I love all the colors of kale. Any kale. I love it. So comment down below, what's your favorite leafy green? Colette, what's your favorite leafy green? The tennis ball, of course. Give this video a thumbs up if you love Brussels sprouts or you like cute puppies who are very preoccupied. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell if you want to be notified of when I put a new video out. And thanks guys. A little short video for you, but I thought it was interesting. I love food. Okay, bye. Needed any more like reason to believe these are the same? Look at this stem here and how similar it is to our broccoli. I know it doesn't like show much. I had broccoli too, by the way. But yeah, yeah, I'm gonna only cut like half of this off, cook it in the oven at like 400 for 30 minutes with olive oil and salt, pepper. We got a meal, don't we? Oh, okay. I pulled those off, and that's what you get at the grocery store, and I still got this like, you shall not, oh, pass! Got a little staff, or like a toothbrush for a elephant. Anyway, still have enough for next week, so this is awesome, and it's like half the cost for me. I love this. I love this Brussels sprout stock, Colette. Don't you? Do you love it? I can just compost all of this and my meal is waste free. I've got the Brussels sprout stems composting. This is what I've got in the oven, which I'll cut. I'm making quinoa bowls, so I'll kind of put some of these in the quinoa, cut these into little cubes and put in quinoa. And then I've got quinoa and lentils that I got both from the bulk section. So my whole meal is waste-free. Oh, except that little tag thing from the Brussels sprouts. But, you know, mostly waste-free.